Hi, this is Bernie from BMK. Thank you for watching. We thought we share a real life problem with you today. So we have those aluminum housings to machine in our shop, and as you can see here, we had quite severe chatter in the edges down there, which is always the critical part of the component because the actual width of cut is bigger than on the straight lines. And luckily we could get rid of it in about, I'd say, 20 minutes, and this getting rid of it came with an actual productivity increase. So how did we do it? We used our Metalmax System TXF. It's a wonderful system. What we did is we tapped the part and we give the system all the information about the tool and the cut, depth of cut, width of cut, number of cutting flutes, and so on. And from that, the system can calculate where which spindle speed will be stable and give good results. So that's really perfect. I must admit I did it wrong the first try, so that was entirely my mistake. So the guys tried it and it was worse than before, and they thought it was extremely funny and were saying, oh yeah, Bernie found a spindle speed which wouldn't work at all. And it was like, the good doctor, it's me with his little hammer, what does he want? But then after I corrected my mistake, we did it and it was perfect, like you can see on the parts. So that is really a device that can help you a lot. You can get rid of chatter, you can increase the productivity that you get out of your favorite tools, and that saves you a lot of money in your own production. So I think I'll do another video later to explain a little how it's working, but if that is something for you, we offer this as a service, so I could come and tap your favorite tools and see how they are performing or what we can get out of them, or we're also a reseller for the system if you're interested. So send us an email, call us and so on if you're interested, and otherwise, thank you for watching.